मी प्रथम आपल्या शाळेची विद्यार्थिनी वर्ग 5वा कोमल अरविंद भगत हिला सूचना करतो की तिने 2 शब्द येऊन या ठिकाणी व्यक्त करावं। यानंतर समीक्षा डमारे।
Dear friends, today I am going to tell you a story of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and so kindly please listen it. The matter is of that day when our country was not free by British government, the man was living a very frugal life. Dr. Babasaheb born on 14 April 1891 at Mahur in MP. One thing I want to tell you about him that he was 14 children's father and mother. His mother's name was Bhimabai and his name was also Bhimra. It is one of the best combination of his life. His education life was very poor condition and sadly because the students of his school were not sit together. They always hesitate many times. Babasaheb sit near the window and listen study. His father Ramji Ambedkar majored in military. He passed matric exam in 1907. He was first matric year of the 1909. His young social life. His Babasaheb married with Ramabai, the daughter of Ananta Rao in 1908. Now I am going to stop my speech. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
अति सुंदर एकदा जोराने टाळ्या होत्या। स्वागत। तिला परवाच्या रोजी मराठीत दिलं, मराठीत केलं, म्हटलं नको इंग्रजीत पाहिजे। एका दिवसामध्ये अति सुंदर पद्धतीने तिने डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर यांच्या जीवनावर अति सुंदरपणे इंग्रजीमध्ये भाषण दिलं। धन्यवाद कोमल। यानंतर समीक्षा